Welcome back to Maker's Marvels. Today, we're delving into the ancient art of crafting one of the most iconic utensils in Asian cuisine, bamboo chopsticks. Join us as we unveil the mesmerizing process behind these sustainable and versatile tools. The journey of creating bamboo chopsticks begins with a careful selection of bamboo. Skilled artisans choose mature bamboo stocks, as they possess the ideal combination of strength and flexibility required for chopsticks. Bamboo is a fast-growing and renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice for crafting these essential dining tools. Once the perfect bamboo stocks are chosen, craftsmen skillfully cut them into manageable lengths. The bamboo is then split into thin strips, revealing the smooth inner surface needed for crafting the chopsticks. Traditionally, this splitting process was done by hand, but modern techniques may also involve machinery to ensure efficiency and precision. Next, the bamboo strips are shaped into the iconic chopstick form. Artisans use traditional tools to carve and shape the chopsticks, ensuring precision and uniformity. The process of shaping the chopsticks requires great skill and attention to detail to achieve the perfect balance and feel in the hands of the user. To achieve a flawless finish, the chopsticks undergo a meticulous sanding process. This step not only smooths the surface, but also enhances the chopstick's natural luster. Craftsmen use various grades of sandpaper to achieve the desired level of smoothness, creating chopsticks that are both comfortable to hold and visually appealing. The tips of the chopsticks are tapered to a fine point, making it easier to pick up food with precision. This delicate tapering is a defining feature of well-crafted chopsticks. Achieving the perfect taper requires patience and a steady hand, as the craftsmen work to create a balanced and elegant design. Some chopsticks are further personalized with unique engravings or hand-painted designs. These intricacies add an artistic touch and make the chopsticks more appealing. Personalized chopsticks are often cherished as thoughtful gifts, symbolizing cultural significance and enhancing the dining experience. Before the chopsticks are deemed ready to use, they undergo a stringent quality control process. Each chopstick is carefully inspected for any imperfections, ensuring only the finest pieces to make it to the market. Quality control is crucial to maintaining the reputation of the artisans and ensuring the satisfaction of the users. While traditional craftsmanship is still revered for its artistry and cultural significance, modern techniques and machinery have also found their place in chopstick production. Some manufacturers use advanced technologies to streamline certain processes without compromising the quality and authenticity of the final product. Beyond their culinary use, bamboo chopsticks have found applications in various creative and artistic endeavors. From crafting musical instruments to eco-friendly home decor, bamboo's versatility continues to inspire innovators worldwide. Bamboo chopsticks hold deep cultural significance in many Asian countries. They represent values like respect for nature, sustainability, and the importance of communal dining. Throughout history, chopsticks have been an integral part of traditional ceremonies, symbolizing unity, family, and shared experiences. And there you have it, the captivating process of crafting bamboo chopsticks. From the selection of bamboo to the shaping and personalization, each pair is a testament to the artistry and tradition that goes into creating these essential dining tools. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Maker's Marvels for more captivating How It's Made content. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep savoring and marveling.